Hello, my name is Maggie Villette, and I have been teaching for 9 years. Most recently, I have been a kindergarten teacher. I have been teaching kindergarten for the past 5 years. I was also a first grade teacher, an English as a second language teacher, and then a fifth grade teacher. And my most recent teaching assignment, I have been in the Shawnee Mission School District. So, as far as how I feel about online coursework, I have really enjoyed taking classes online. I think just as a lot of people, life gets busy, and so there's a lot of things that we all have to juggle. And so taking coursework and learning things is really important. But what I really like about online courses is the flexibility with it, and being able to complete courses. Hi everyone, my name is Maggie Villette. I have been teaching for 9 years. Most recently, I have been teaching kindergarten. I've been doing that for the past 5 years. Before that, I was a first grade teacher and English as a second language teacher, and then a fifth grade teacher. So I have been to quite a few districts in the Kansas City area, but most recently, I have been in the Shawnee Mission School District. As far as my feelings of online coursework, I have really enjoyed taking courses online. One of the main reasons, and I think just as everyone, life gets busy, and so there's a lot of things going on and a lot of things to juggle. And what I really like about online coursework is being able to go at your own pace and to be able to take coursework or to turn in assignments when you are able to. So that has been really nice to be able to have that flexibility, but also learn alongside people and teachers and just professionals that are not just within my district, but also in the Kansas City area, and then just all over. And so that has been really neat to be able to hear experience from teachers all over. So I've really enjoyed that. As far as how far I am with my coursework, so after this course, I will have one more class with library media specialist, and then I will have my practicum. So the hope is to be done in fall of 2020, so almost there. And then as far as my family is concerned, I have been married to my husband for 7 years, and we have 2 children. We have a 3-year-old, almost 4-year-old little girl, and then a little boy who just turned 1 in November. So we have definitely been keeping busy, and it has been a lot of fun. So I am really looking forward to learning alongside all of you this semester.